Build AI apps with Python in NeoVim. Episode 3. Multi-turn conversations. Conversation history lets Claude remember what you said. A simple list stores every message, both yours and Claude response. Each API call sends the full history. That is how Claude keeps context. Today, a chatbot that remembers what you said. History starts empty. Each turn appends user and assistant messages. We open a new Python file, multi-turn conversations. Comments at the top. Episode 3, Chatbot with Memory. Same imports as before. OS, .env, and Anthropic. Anthropic gives us the client talk to Claude. Load .env and create the client. Same setup pattern. The client handles all communication with Claude. Here is the key, an empty list called history. This list stores every message in the conversation, user and assistant. Print a welcome message so the user knows the chatbot is ready. While true creates an infinite loop, the chatbot runs until we quit. Input function waits for the user to type a message. If the user types quit, we break out of the loop. Append the user message to history. Role as user, content is what they typed. This is essential. History must include both sides of the conversation. Messages.create. But now we pass history as the messages parameter. This is the key line. The entire conversation history is sent every call. Max tokens 150. Keeps responses concise. A system prompt tells Claude to be helpful and brief. Messages equals history. Claude sees the entire conversation so far. Extract the text and print it as Claude : then the message. Append the assistant response to history too. Both sides must be tracked. User and assistant alternating. After the loop ends, print goodbye. Save the file. Now we run with split terminal. Terminal split is needed because input waits for keyboard input. Turn 1. We ask, what is Python? Claude responds with a clear explanation. Turn 2. What are its main uses? We did not say Python again. Claude knows we mean Python. The history includes turn 1. Turn 3. Which one should a beginner start with? Claude still knows the topic. 3 turns of context preserved. Type quit to exit the chatbot. Goodbye. J and J. Jump to top to review our complete code. Recap. 3 key takeaways. First, conversation history is a list of messages with alternating roles. Second, append both user and assistant messages to maintain context. Third, Claude sees the entire history each call. That is how it remembers. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Next episode, streaming responses.